still grow in November, when blossoms still bloom from each tree, when leaves are still green in December. It's then that our land will be free. I've wandered her hills and her valleys, and still through my sorrow I see a land that has never known freedom, and only her rivers run free. I drink to the death of her manhood, those men who'd rather have died than to live in cold chains of bondage, to bring back their rights they were denied. Oh, where are you now that we need you? What burns where the flame used to be? And are you gone like the snows of last winter? And do only our rivers run free? How sweet is life, but we're crying. How mellow the wine, but we're dry. How fragrant the rose, but it's dying. How gentle the wind, but it sighs. Oh, what good is in youth when it's aging? What joy is in eyes that cannot see, when there's sorrow in sunshine and flowers, and only our rivers run free?